I believe we can often be intimidated by organizing because we think you're going to need a lot of expensive tools and gadgets. The thing that I actually love about organizing is that you can make it simple. As simple as using one of these, a command hook. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite organizing hacks, all utilizing command hooks on a budget. Hey, if we're just meeting, welcome. I'm Lindsay, and on this channel, I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly hacks. And there's nothing more budget-friendly than a simple command hook. Because command hooks are so simple, they can often be dismissed and not really thought of in creative ways. Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite ways to utilize command hooks to get your home organized, and all on a super tight budget. Not only are these command hooks relatively affordable, they're also renter friendly and tool friendly, meaning anybody can do these organizing solutions. No need to pull out a hammer or nails. All you need to do is grab that 3M hook. Now, I absolutely love using command hooks in all different types of organizing. I use them in my own home, and I've used them in friends and family's homes that I've organized as well. So I've come through and compiled a bunch of different ways that you can utilize different types of command hooks in order to get your home organized. Start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. With kitchens, it comes with a lot of stuff, and we need to figure out the best solutions in order to organize that stuff. Command hooks afford creative solutions that you might not otherwise have thought of. If you're tight on drawer or cabinet space, a great way to utilize your space efficiently is to think of the inside of the cabinet door. You can put so many things on the inside of the cabinet doors, all utilizing just command hooks. What I love about these is that they're not going to ruin your cabinets. No need to put nails or screws into them. All you do is put a simple command hook and you can hang so many different things. I personally love using one inside my spice cabinet in order to hang all of my pot holders. My kitchen is very limited on drawer space, so I didn't have somewhere for these to live. Pop them in the cabinet and they're right there when I need them. Another great solution is in my old kids cabinet video, I showed how you can actually put a little baskets on the inside of cabinets to store your kids' silverware or cup lids, straws. And these baskets were again budget friendly because they're just from the Dollar Tree. You can also store your kids' bibs, or if you want to step it up a notch, you can even put all of your different measuring cups and measuring spoons in there. Now, I will say that if you do that, you're just going to want to be aware because when you're opening and shutting the door, it will clack against the door. You might want to think of something that you can put on the door to dim the noise, or just make sure that people know when they're opening the cabinets that those are there. Another great hack that we did with my daughter, which we're planning on pulling out and doing again once a little man comes, is to put a command hook on the back of the high chair to hold all of your bibs. I love this because especially when they're really little and get their bibs all gross, it's going to be super easy just to have a stash of all the different bibs right on the back of the high chair so you can easily grab them and go. Okay, so this next 3M hook is a little bit different. This one I found on Amazon. I will have it linked down below, but I was constantly struggling with cords on my different kitchen appliances getting all tangled up or being loose in the pantry. So this 3M hook solves that problem. All I did was put it on the back of the appliance, wrapped up my cord, and then secured the latch of the 3M hook. Now the cords are nicely coiled together. I'm not going to have that cord flopping around in the pantry, and especially with this heavy blender, it's going to be nice to be able to pull it in and out without having to worry about the cord getting caught. Moving outside of the kitchen, another really cool hook that I recently found is actually a little bit more of a designed hook. Now this still has the feature of the sticky back of a 3M hook, but it brings the look up a notch. I've actually used these hooks in 3 different places in my home, one of them being in the kitchen to hold my Norwex cloths by the sink, but I also use them in my bathroom to hold a towel by our sink and to hold the diffuser in my bedroom. I love this because I know it's secure on my wall and I love the sleek design of it, but yet it has the simple functionality of a 3M hook. I always use 3M hooks to hang up different wreaths in your home. I personally like to use them in my living room to hang up my different seasonal wreaths. You can also use them on your front door in order to hang a normal decor throughout your home as well. If you're liking these tips so far, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future organizing videos. And if you're tight on space, especially think about when you're coming into your home. If you need to find a place to put your bag or your kids' book bags, 3M hooks are a great solution for that as well. Another fun way I recently used some of the 3M hooks from the Dollar Tree is in my office closet. I created a little gift wrap zone. Now I will say to make sure, especially whatever kind of 3M hooks you are purchasing, make sure to pay attention to the weight that it says that it can hold. You don't want to get like one of the 1 pound ones when you're trying to hang something that weighs 5 pounds. But I simply use these 3M hooks to be able to hang a wastebasket to store all of our gift wrap, and then a little wire basket underneath to store all my gift wrap solutions. I already mentioned that these are great to hang up different towels in like your bathroom, but they're also great in order to hang and help organize all of your cleaning solutions. Now my best friend's laundry room, I helped her revamp it. She already had a couple 3M hooks in her laundry room to hold all of her Norwex cloths. I added another one to add a couple more of her cleaning supplies, and it's a great use of space. Don't forget about your wall space. Walls are great solutions if you're especially tight on space. You need to find some creative ways in order to hide or organize the clutter in your office. I again would suggest bringing things up on the wall. On my desk, I was having a problem with having too many things on my desk. I needed the space in order to sprawl out, and I especially like having my iPad right next to my computer. But where I had my pens and pencils was hidden behind it. So anytime I wanted to get to it, it was very difficult to see what I was trying to find, or I'd end up knocking it over. So I created a super simple hanging system on my wall, again, utilizing those Dollar Tree command hooks and a simple dowel rod. Now this dowel rod actually came from the Dollar Tree, and if you missed my Dollar Tree DIYs video, you're gonna wanna check out to see what I actually use these dowel rods for. But I pulled one out of the pack and used that as my hanging bar system. Put a couple hooks on it, and now I can have all of my stuff that I like to have out, easily accessible, up on the wall and off of my desktop. Now in the office or generally in your home, cords can be a big problem. You don't like to see them cluttering underneath the desk. And a great solution for these are actually these hooks that I found online that we used in my husband's old office. Now again, his office is actually moving down to our basement, but the same system's set up. I like these ones because they have the same sticky feature on the back, so they just can stick to the back of your desk, but then you can loop all of your cords into it. And then again, we needed to find an organized solution for my husband's headset at his desk. So simple command hook on the side of his desk did the trick. If you're looking for more simple ways that you can get your home organized on a budget, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll see you in the next one.